Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive.
Hello, my name is Lisbeth Resendiz. I am going to explain the 9 parts of the brain. The first part that I'm going to explain to you is broadcast area. Broadcast area is the region in the frontal lobe of the dominant hemisphere, usually the left of the brain, with functions linked to speech. The next part is Wernicke's area. The Wernicke's area is the region of the brain that is important for language development. Mm, it is located in the temporal lobe. On the left side of the brain is responsible for the comprehension of speech. When Wernicke's area may be trauma or disease, language aphasia can result. The next part is angular gyrus. The angular gyrus is the part of the parent lobe of the brain. It plays a part in language and number processing, memorizing, and reasoning. The next part is primary auditory cortex. Is the part of the temporal lobe that processes auditory information in the humans. Is the part of the auditory system performing basic and high functions in hearing, such as possible relations to language. It is located bilaterally rounded at the upper side of the temporal lobes. The next part is primary visual cortex. The visual cortex of the brain is the area of the cerebral cortex that processes visual information. It is located in the occipital lobe. Sensory input originates from the eyes through the lateral geniculate nucleus in the thalamus and they reach the visual cortex. The next part is articular physical is boundary of the action that connects the temporal cortex and inferior parent cortex to location in the frontal lobe. This part connects Broca's area with Wernicke's area. The next part is motor cortex. It is divided in 3 parts. Primary motor cortex is located in the frontal lobe of the brain along a bump called the present guise. Its role is to generate neural impulses that control the existence of movement. Promotor cortex is located used previous to the primary motor cortex. It's involved in planning and organizing movements and actions. Supplementary motor area the occupies the posterior on third of the superior frontal girth. It's responsible of planning of complex movements of controlled treatments, but ipsilateral planning to smile effect. Broca's aphasia is a degma brain located in the frontal lobe on the left side. This part is responsible of speech and for motor movements. People have to saying words, but they can understand language. As is referred as expressive aphasia. Wernicke's aphasia is a membrane located in the posterior superior temporal lobe. People have this condition can't understand words they speaking with regular rhythm and grammar, but the words don't have coherence. As is referred as receptive aphasia, sensory aphasia, or fluent aphasia.
Looking pictures of you. I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love. I know it's real love. Now I know that we can fly to any distance, anytime. Real love. I'm feeling real love. In your arms I know I feel like home and I'll never be alone. There's a beautiful day outside, yeah, you know how to make it shine. You know that I'll be there for you, because you're everything to me.